What's my type of man? A Manscaped one, of course.
First things first, we got the lawn mower, baby. Look at this beast.
It's not too big, it's not too small, and that's what she said.
This is Manscaped's 4th generation trimmer with advanced SkinSafe technology, which reduces nicks and cuts on the most sensitive regions of the body.
Also, it's waterproof if you doing a little bit of trimming somewhere in the shower.
Luckily, the Performance Package 4.0 is here.
This is the ultimate all-in-one skin and hair kit for every man.
Inside this package, you will find the Crop Preserver Ball Deodorant,
We have deodorant for under our arms. Now it's important we have deodorant for our balls as well.
the Crop Reviver Toner, the Weed Whacker Ear and Nose Trimmer,
It's a wireless nose trimmer.
Importantly, this one gets the great skin-safe design.
Helps reduce nicks and cuts.
A great trimmer to get those nose and ear hairs.
Because anyone who's caught inside their nose there knows that it hurts. So many great products in this package, and also for a limited time, 2 free gifts.
the Performance Boxer Briefs,
Look at these! We got some Manscaped stuff!
and a new travel bag to hold all of your new favorite things.
It's 2022. Take care of your balls.
Men's grooming just got easier. From head to toe grooming, you can find everything you need at manscaped.com. Your balls will thank you.